Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So, today I'm inviting you in on a typical Saturday morning in our life. Our Saturdays are quite relaxed. There's not much to do, it's just relaxing. We kind of tend to like a big breakfast and just relax, have devotion, and all of that. As you can see, it's late morning. But anyway, grab a cup of tea, coffee, whichever you prefer, and enjoy this video. And please don't forget to remember to walk in love, stay in love, and stay connected to God. Bye bye. Hey, wait, get up. Back up. All this is on the stairs. She's in the bathroom. You alright with it? I'm done.
Yeah, I'm fine with
Say God.
it. Looking.
Yeah, looky.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the Scuzzy.
Wait, Alexandra, go eat your porridge.
No,
Why?
no, I know.
Ooh, Daddy.
Hmm.
Maybe when we get waffle maker or we can use it in pancakes, we should make Oreo pancakes.
I don't know about that. I'm not.
You don't like that?
No, I don't. I
Not
don't really
much.
favor Oreos that are chunky. You can buy them like that. You know that?
Elijah,
That'd be good, yeah.
Maybe.
apple.
This is
You
sugar.
want apple.
Sometimes they usually just
Yeah.
scrape off the
Wait.
icing.
No, you say, may I please have apple?
A please an apple. Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. I need a sharper knife. It's stopping it.
And it probably just needs to be sharp.
Yeah.
They have some please. Orange, okay?
Yes, please.
Please. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Eh?
I don't know. I thought you had accidentally left it.
Thank you.
You don't want to talk to me about cookies?
Yeah. I think you're gonna get.
First, you got to understand mise en place. Can you say mise en place?
Yeah. Walk.
Mise en place.
Walk. Walk. So pray to one way, okay?
Okay.
So I don't know where to cry,
I think
okay?
you misunderstood me. I'm not talking about a block.
It's just,
It's a French word.
oh,
Mise, can you say mise? Say mise.
the knees.
Zen,
Stand.
plat,
Walk.
plat.
Walk.
Yeah, mise en place.
Yeah, I see a block.
It means everything in its place, baby.
You look close.
I'm going to make classic scrambled eggs, right?
You're the.
Using butter. You see that butter?
Yeah.
Yeah, sound. That's what I was. So I wasn't saying you be quiet. So
This
listen
is
to
the
the sound.
fire. This is the fire.
And you don't want it to brown too much because guess what? It changes the color of your eggs.
So then you're those kind of red and light red, okay? It's kind of colorful, the red and the white together. Sad. I like crying when you cry. And you know, crying was really sunny, mommy and pickle up in the
I'm just thinking about the end product. All right.
Because kids had toys. Tick tock.
And voila, there you have it. Scrambled eggs. See?
Oh, I smell it there.
I think you smell the oven.
Yes, smell it.
Okay.
Gregory.
Just two, right? Just two.
Then keep us the pancake please.
Oh, I'm fart. Have a fart.
Yeah, I can give you a phone. But you want some syrup on it?
Yeah.
Fried mango. Like, I just switch up.
Keep us the strawberry please.
Alexandra, it's called four.
Is there any knives?
Use your fork. It's because you
And it's
didn't
your
do-
partner. You think she did that way?
That's all they got one?
Keep us a knife please. Oh yeah, I forgot this.
I'm not.
Keep us the syrup then.
Same thing. It's two words. work.
Help mommy spread the bed.
Yes.
You want help mommy? Come, spread the bed. That way. This way. Good job. Come, help mommy. Come. Come up. Good job. Good job. Mommy finished. High five. Good job.
Well, mommy.
Let's go. Home. Go over there. No, over there. Go. Wait. This looks.
Better now.
Wait.
Better.
Wait. Wait. Weird. Okay, let's turn to. Come here. Come on, shake you.
No.
Stop.
Yeah, I need strawberry. Go eat the strawberry. I need more. Daddy, no kiss to Daddy. Alexa, no.
Hello, Shannon. We say good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Oh, what am I talking? Hello, family.
Feels so good, so soft. So this is the box that the pillowcases came in. I only did get two, and the company is called Zonli, and I'm liking it. I asked for four, but for some reason they sent two pillowcases. But I just work with it. Two white pillowcase to the other two pillows. It came in this. So for this one, I only asked for a fitted sheet because I didn't want a flat sheet. So soft, and it have a satin feeling. I think so. The material is satin, and I like it. This is the king size, and it comes in this. Isn't this so cute? And here we are, the box that the comforter came in. Isn't this so cute? And it came with this bag where you can store it when you're not using it, or even with traveling. And it came with the instruction booklet. For me, the reason why I did get this comforter is that when I read about it, it helps cool the body in the summertime, and I like that. And if you notice, I did have, which I didn't show it, no, I did have my winter comforter on the bed, and I decided, listen, I need a new comforter. And this one, it's not thick as the one I have, but it's okay. It's easier to wash, and I can't sometimes with a big old comforter to wash because they're so huge. And this one for me, even though I'm not giving up my old comforter, but this one I like it because it helps cool the body, and for me, I like to be cool. I like to actually be cold, not cool when I'm sleeping. It says we use bamboo fabric to provide a luxurious softness and breathability, along with innovative cooling fiber technology that helps regulate your body temperature and helps you fall asleep fast. And so, yeah, this is really good. I must say, I should have turned it over on the other side, because here is the satin side. It's so soft and silky. Put it on this side. This side is actually soft as well. Oh, it feels so good. This feels so good. Oh my gosh, I like to feel soft things. But anyway, this is really good. I like this a lot. And I'm going to test it out tonight. I'm going to test it out tonight, and then I'll see you in the morning just to talk a bit more about it. I have to test it out. I didn't get a chance to yesterday. I was supposed to do it, but I'm going to do it tonight, and I'm going to see you tomorrow and tell you all about it. So let me go fix my bed and finish doing what I have to do. You saying bye-bye? Come. You can say bye-bye. You want to say bye-bye?
Bye.